Unit 2, sum number 14. How will the following appears in the final account of Marthantam Women Cultural Associations? Stock of sports material on 1/4/2018. இது opening stock. Stock material purchases வந்து அந்த இதை purchase பண்ணது value. Next stock of sports material closing stock value. இப்போ sum பார்க்கலாம். Sum number 14. Income and expenditure account for the year ended 31 March 2019. Expenditure side to sports material on 1/4/2018 is the opening stock 16,000. Add purchases sports material during the purchases 84,000. Opening stock plus purchases 16,000 plus 84,000 1 lakh. Less closing stock 31/3/2019 10,000. 1 lakh 10,000 paychna 90,000. Next balance sheet as on 31/3/2019 assets closing stock of sports material is at 10,000. Is a closing value mattum dhaan edunum is at 10,000. இதோட இந்த sum முடியுது. Thank you.